Alright, I want to do an unboxing and little mini review of this Energizer x1000 headlamp flashlight. It actually comes with two CR123 batteries as well as a rechargeable lithium battery internally. It is a right angle light. It's head mountable. It goes from 400 lumens all the way up to 1000 lumens on turbo mode. It also has a strobe mode. So there's 5 different modes on this light. You can see there. And here in the background you see an S1 baton, Olight S1 baton, and a Phoenix HL50 for comparison's sake size. It's a little bit larger than I thought it would be. It does also have a headband and an included USB cable. So let's see, there's the headband. Here's there, and let me get the light itself out. What I find interesting about this, I bought this for about $16. So this light ended up costing me about $16. But what's interesting, it comes with 3 different types of batteries. And the batteries alone, you know, if you were to purchase them alone, we usually run about like $3 for a CR123 each. So about $6 worth of CR123 batteries here, and another $6 for the rechargeable lithium ion battery that's included internally. And so this is already mounted on this clip. I took it off the headband clip, and this is what the light looks like. All right, and so let's go through everything that's included. It's the light, the headband strap, the headband strap mount, and a recharge micro. It's a micro USB rechargeable cable, recharging cable. And then the light itself with the charging port here on the back, and it kind of flips up. This does have waterproof rating to IPX4, was it? And then it includes these 2 CR123 lithium ion batteries. Now I'm going to just show, for completion's sake, inside the flashlight itself. It's going to include the rechargeable. This is a rechargeable lithium ion rechargeable battery, 2600 mAh, so 9.62 watt hours of capacity, and it's a 3.7 volts, or lithium ion 1S or 1 cell. And so one more thing I want to add to this video about this Energizer X1000 flashlight is that it does not use the industry standard 18650 lithium ion batteries. It uses a little bit of a different lithium ion battery that's I guess proprietary, either proprietary or just an odd size that's not particularly, I believe, an industry standard. Anyways, I think that's important to know. So if you wanted to make it part of a system, it won't work with the 18650, the standard 18650 lithium ion batteries here. It's a different size that it comes with, but it will fit 2 CR123 batteries. So there you go, which is interesting because I don't know, I just tried this 18650 battery in there and it didn't work, and I can demonstrate that here. Nada. And there you go. There you go. And then you can see the rubber gasket right there. As I mentioned, it's a right angle light. Comes with a pretty nice metal clip. It was very nice and stiff. Ooh, it's super stiff. That is one of the stiffest metal clips I've ever used on a flashlight. All right, I'll see the light. There you go. Kind of a brighter light, a whiter light, I mean to say, in terms of color. And then for comparison's sake, this is the O-light. And then here's the color of the light wise. All right, let's see if we can do it. So to operate the different modes on this light, it's click on, then it's 1, 2, 3 to dim it and off, and then click on again. It comes on gradual. It's kind of cool. And then to get the strobe mode, you hold down while it's on. To get the turbo mode, I believe you hold the power button and it ramps up to turbo mode. And then for strobe mode, it's a double click, and it gets you that strobe mode. And then to cycle through them is click once, click twice, click 3 times, click 4 times, off, and then click on, click again, dims down. I haven't messed with all the settings as I just unboxed it, so I don't know if there's a way to just go to the previous setting right off the bat. And then turbo mode is you just hold it down, it goes all the way to turbo mode, and then into strobe mode, double click. There you go. So double click strobe, while on, holding down goes into turbo mode, and then off, you have to cycle through all of them. And it comes on in the brightest mode, and then you click again and again to get it to the lower settings. What's nice is when you click on, it doesn't just on right away. It kind of turns on gradually, like dims up, or I don't know. You can see it there. Yeah, that's not just from the camera, but it turns on gradually. It's kind of cool. Yeah, that is neat. But for $16, I think this is nuts. It was on sale because the rechargeable battery and I think the CR123 batteries alone probably account for like $10 to $14 of cost. And then so it's a pretty good deal. And these lights, in comparison, this S1 Baton, I think was like $40 or $60. I know I pulled the order on this Phoenix HL 50 up, and it was $60. Brightness wise, see if I can do that. The throw is a little bit more spread out because it has that diffuser on the front, as you can see. But overall, I mean, it's definitely brighter than these two. And I'm not on turbo mode. There's no magnet in the butt cap on this. Nor does my Phoenix have a magnet in there, but my O-light does. And so you can see that there. All right, so there's the comparison. I'll try to do them again. Here's the S1 Baton. This is the second S1 Baton. There's the Phoenix HL 50. These are older lights, but I like the color of the light on my HL50 the best. This is S1 Baton HL50, and then here's the Energizer X1. It's got a really white light. I like the color on my HL50 the best, but anyways, as an unboxing and mini review of this